Welcome to our video on the Bridges Transition Model, a framework that helps individuals and organizations to navigate through change. Have you ever experienced a significant change in your life, like a job loss or a move to a new city? Change can be challenging, but with the Bridges Transition Model, you can learn to manage transition and emerge stronger on the other side. In this video, I will explain what the Bridges Transition Model is and how it can help you navigate change in your personal and professional life. First of all, what is the Bridges Transition Model? The Bridges Transition Model is a framework developed by William Bridges that helps individuals and organizations manage the psychological and emotional aspects of change. The model emphasizes that change is a process and that individuals and organizations need to move through different stages, 3 stages, as a matter of fact, of transformation: ending, neutral, and new beginning. Let's take a closer look at each stage of the Bridges Transition Model. Ending. In this stage, individuals and organizations are letting go of the old way of doing things. This can be difficult and emotional, as people may feel loss, uncertainty, or even resistance. For example, when a company is downsizing employees, then these employees may feel a sense of loss for their coworkers and the old ways of doing things. The second one is neutral zone. In this stage, individuals and organizations are in the state of transition, where the old ways are no longer effective, but the new ways have not yet been fully established. This can be quite chaotic and confusing time, as people may feel disoriented and particularly uncertain. For example, when a team is restructured, employees may feel uncertain about their new roles and responsibilities. The third phase is new beginning. In this stage, individuals and organizations have established a new way of doing things. This can be an exciting and empowering time, as people may feel a sense of accomplishment and renewed energy. For example, when a company launches a new product line, employees may feel excited about the new opportunities and possibilities. So, what are the implications of the Bridges Transition Model for individuals and organizations? Well, by understanding and managing the psychological and the emotional aspects of change, people can move through the stages of transition a lot more effectively, and they can emerge stronger on the other side. This can lead to improved performance. This can increase resilience and innovation. Let's look at some examples of how individuals and organizations have used the Bridges Transition Model to navigate change. The first example is a company undergoing a merger. In this scenario, employees from 2 companies are coming together to form a new organization. By using the Bridges Transition Model, the company can help employees to let go of the old ways of doing things and establish new ways of working together, as well as create a shared vision for the future. The second example is a student transitioning to college. In this scenario, a student is leaving the familiar environment of high school and entering the unknown world of college. By using the Bridges Transition Model, the student can acknowledge the challenges of transition, seek support and guidance, and embrace the opportunities and possibilities of college life. The third example would be a person going through divorce. In this scenario, a person is experiencing the end of a significant relationship. By using the Bridges Transition Model, the person can grieve the loss, identify and release the negative emotions, and establish a new identity and a sense of purpose. In conclusion, the Bridges Transition Model is a valuable framework for managing the psychological as well as the emotional aspects of change. By acknowledging the 3 stages of transition, individuals and organizations can navigate the change process much more effectively and emerge stronger on the other side. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure you subscribe or give a thumbs up for this video by liking it. This is all from me for today. We can catch up in the next video. Peace out.